tell you whether or not you're going to have a career. And then you're always left thinking, am I good enough? Let's talk about why trying to sing better than anyone else is a broken model, and you must stop thinking that way right now. Hey guys, it's Jim Chandler with Rock Your Best Vocals, back with another video with some quick tips. Some part of you wants to know, can you learn to sing better than anyone else? In this video, I'm going to address the question, can you sing better than anyone else? And then I'm going to point out why this is a broken strategy. And then I'm going to point out how you can fix this and why you need to fix that right now. And if you stay to the very end of this video, I'm going to share something with you that's helped me go from a struggling singer to a master vocalist. So make sure you stay to the very end. If you do like the video, please hit like and subscribe. That helps the algorithm, and I can bring more videos that help other people. So first of all, you're asking yourself, can I sing better than anyone else? No. Why not? Because there's always going to be somebody that will sing better than you or worse than you. It's impossible to sing better than anyone else. Besides, that is subjective. Okay? Someone might say Bob Dylan sings better than anyone else. Well, who's to say that? Well, somebody else may say like Kurt Cobain sings better than Bob Dylan or whoever. So it's subjective first off, and then second off, it gets you into comparisonitis. And you'll say, Jim, but there's always singing competitions like The Voice and Britain's Got Talent, America's Got Talent, blah, 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 the best singer talents, all these. Okay, yeah. Well, that perpetuates the idea that four people can sit there and tell you whether or not you're going to have a career. Are you prepared to do that? So what happens is you enter the competition. Well, next year, so it could be somebody singing better than you did the previous year. And these competitions are all really about the show, okay? It's not really about the actual talent of the person. It's about the story behind the person. So watch it. Next time you watch one of those, look at how much they put in the story around behind the person, okay? And it's all put on for show. It's all put on so Simon Cowell can give the Cowell scowl and blah, blah, blah. You can have the heroes and the villains of the four people that sit there and they comment on this person whether or not they like them or not. So if you get into comparisonitis, you're always going to be comparing yourself to someone else. And then you're always left thinking, am I good enough? And that very often leads to low self-esteem. And when you work from that place, that is just a confidence and creativity killer. People with low self-esteem are afraid to put themselves out there to the world and share their talent with everyone. And as you're watching this video, you're probably already thinking of someone who is very talented and they're afraid to share their talent. They don't think they're good enough. Think of that person right now that you know that is very good at what they do, but they're afraid to put themselves out there because they don't think they're good enough. This often happens also with women, but they don't think they're pretty enough, or they think they're too fat. And you could probably think of someone right now that is very beautiful, but they don't feel like they're beautiful. They have low self-esteem and they think they're ugly or fat or something like that. So that happens because they're comparing themselves to everyone on Instagram or Facebook or blah, 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 whatever. It's just, and if you can't think of an example right now, I'll give you an excellent example. Marilyn Monroe, one of the most beautiful women, iconic symbols of beauty of all time. Marilyn Monroe had low self-esteem because she often compared herself to other people, and she suffered from low self-esteem as a result. She got into bad relationships, and then she ended up committing suicide out of all of this. So you can see if you get into comparisonitis, it leads you down a really, really downward spiral that you just don't want to get into. And for me, the comparisonitis kept me for a long time from getting on YouTube and putting myself out there, because there are a lot of vocal coaches out there and there are a lot of good ones. And that kept me from wanting to share everything that I've learned, because I was afraid, oh, am I going to be good enough for people to listen to me? But I'm going to share with you now what one thing is helped me to realize that what I have is unique to share, and I need to share it with the world. So it's a quote from a dancer, Martha Graham, There is a vitality, a life force, a quickening that is translated through you into action. And there is only one of you in all time. This expression is unique, and if you block it, it will never exist through any other medium and will be lost. The world will not have it. It is not your business to determine how good it is, nor how it compares with any other expression. It is your business to keep it yours clearly and directly, to keep the channel open. You do not even have to believe in yourself or your work. You have to keep open and aware directly to the urges that motivate you. Keep the channel open. No artist is pleased. There is no satisfaction whatever at any time. There is on a queer, divine dissatisfaction a blessed unrest that keeps us marching and makes us more alive than the others. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and I want you to think about it and live it, because if you're out there trying to sing better than anyone else, think about this quote and sing your best. That's why I called this channel Rock Your Best Vocals, because it's all about being your best in the world, for the world. It's just about doing what you do in the best way that you can and being proud of that because it's come through you out into the world. It's your talent. Live your expression out into the world. Don't try to go and sing better than anyone else. Just sing your best. And also, I have a couple of courses. One is a free course which will give you more than most other courses will teach you in their entirety. There's tremendous value in that free course. And also down below I have a link for my signature program, which is called the Master Vocal Program, which has a foundational level of mindset techniques. If you're struggling with self-confidence, or any techniques that you might be having difficulty with, we cover all of that in the program. So if you want to go from struggling singer to master vocalist, click the link down below and join me in that course. I hope this helped you, and please leave any comments down below what you think of this, and I'll see you guys again on the next one. Please hit like and subscribe so I can see you guys again, and thank you very much. And remember, rock your best vocals where your best keeps getting better. Thank you very much.